Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Grindr registration error in 2025. First, make sure your Grindr app is updated to the latest version. Open the Play Store, search for Grindr, and tap Update if available. Next, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or restart your device. If you're using a VPN, turn it off. Grindr might block logins or sign-ups from certain locations. Try registering with a different email address or use your Google or Facebook account to sign up. If the problem still happens, contact Grindr support. Include a screenshot of the error, your device information, and the time it occurred. And that's it. Those steps should help you fix the Grindr registration error in 2025. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.